Alright, so check it out. I'm getting ready to go to a Lost Goonies meet. It's supposed to be in Randolph, New Jersey. Enjoy the show. I'm about to put a cold start on for you guys. Didn't start the car yet, so that's up next. Then after that, with the power editing, you're gonna teleport right to the meet. You know what I'm saying? So hope y'all enjoy. Thank you for watching. Appreciate y'all. Pissed. Hey yo, check it out. We at the meet now. So let's get out. I'll show y'all what's here. So we parked up by a Type R.
And we gonna see
that
what's out here.
is modded up. Like he got carbon fiber, everything, diffuser, he got the piece on the hatch, got a big ass wing, bro. And we got some soups over here, you know, got a couple soups. Got the carbon fiber wing on there. Oh, red. Just clean and red.
Yo, when you putting your wing on?
Yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna talk about that. Got a stinger right here. Or this orange is popping too.
Yo, it's the third stinger I seen today.
Yeah. Got them all seasons on. You already know. Bro, they be endorsing the hell out of them damn Continental tires, bro.
Yeah, bro. I mean, if they was your sponsor, wouldn't you endorse them? Like,
I mean, I probably would. I'm just saying.
Exactly.
I'm just saying.
What? Yo, Continental, y'all want to sponsor me?
Bro, they got a whole segment. They got a whole segment just for exactly. they Continental and everything.
Exactly. The Continental recommended tire. Sorry, y'all. I'm on a very limited stage of sleep because I went to bed at like 2.
Yo, what time you went to sleep? Like, I'm about to get hit, bro.
I went to bed at 2 a.m. So yeah, I'm on very limited sleep. And I was still up before you.
Got some wild Accord drivers out here, man. Watch out for them.
Yo. I was about to be like flashback to
watch
New
out
Year's
for them. Watch out for them Accord drivers, man.
Bro, I have personal experience with that too. I can definitely say from experience. Watch out for Accord drivers.
They wild, bro.
I was about to be like, yo, that's a flashback to New Year's Eve, bro.
Oh damn, not New Year's Eve. That was a Nissan. Now we got the Accords too, bro. They try to hop on the bandwagon.
Yo, telling you, bro.
Damn.
Telling you.
Oh, we got the Finny driver chilling.
Yeah, exactly. Which is wild. The Accord driver going crazy.
He's going crazy. Going crazy is an understatement.
Nah, you know what? He probably seen that, was like, yeah, you know what? Let me just
chill out a little bit. Yeah, that green on that, what's that, M3? That shit's clean. That's just low as hell, bro. Damn.
He's probably that's not scraping the ground. I don't know.
He probably on bags, so he probably could lift that back up.
I would hope so.
I mean, if he's not on bags, he a wild boy.
Yeah, exactly.
He wild.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the cool we heard we was driving, but that exhaust is crazy. Oh, you got the Acura wheels, yo. Peep the wheels, yo.
He got nah, this luxury today. He said, nah, I'm making mine.
Oh, that's the M5 we ran into.
That was the M5 we ran into. He parked like over here.
You do got another soup right there.
Yeah, one super by himself. Lone boy out here.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Oh, they brought the car out here, you know, trying to get that.
Yo, but what happened to that back bumper though? What's up with that?
Somebody was trying to write the number down and he was like, boom, right to the back.
Yo, F-150 Lightning, I would love to do
Oh, S2000? I didn't even see this. Nice S2000. This is nice. He low too.
Very low.
Oh, he got the hard top? Bro, when I was in high school, I was like, yo, I want an S2000, bro. These shits never came down in price, but they just started going up. I'm like, damn. Yeah, because like that was one of the cars where I was like, all right, well, when I get out of high school, I'm gonna try to get one of those, you know what I'm saying? Because you know I grew up on Honda, so I was like, let me see if I get like the baddest Honda you could get, which S2000.
Exactly.
But ended up with a soup, so
yeah,
you ain't doing too bad.
Exactly. You upgraded.
I don't know, them things is light though. Them things is under 3,000 pounds.
I'm about to open my hood, right? Ain't got no motor. Niggas got their hoods open.
Yeah, pop the hood, bro.
Yeah, pop the hood. Let niggas know.
Let us see what you packing under there. Nah, you got something under there. What you got? What you got?
Look, here you go. It ain't no motor in there. That's a trunk, baby.
Yo.
They stole my shit. I went to Newark. They stole my shit, cuz.
They stole his motor.
I grew up in Newark. Yo, I came out in the morning. They stole my shit, cuz.
Oh, man. They got this man motor,
push
bro.
this shit up here, yo.
Damn. Man, this man strong as hell. He pushed this whole shit up here.
Yo, imagine going to the store.
They stole my shit.
Yo, imagine going to the store, coming out. Yo, my whole engine was in.
Yo, they took my engine, bro.
Yo, they didn't take the car, but they took the engine. I can't move that.
The shopping cart.
Man, you must have thought I had a Hellcat engine in there or something when they came and took my shit.
Yo, I would love to do a video on this, bro.
Nah, it's dope though.
Yeah.
But them electrics, they taking over, man.
I eat half these niggas up with this shit right here.
What's this do to 0 to 60 on here? The camera.
Yo, I'm getting that. I'm sorry, I'm getting that.
Yo, look at the exhaust, bro.
I need to get that whole. I'm getting that.
I ain't seen a Camry like this, man. Dang.
Yo, I ain't seen it since New Year's.
You got the titanium.
Yo, New Year's Day, dude, I had that supercharged Camry.
Yeah. Oh, we got Tegras pulling up now. Okay. Got the dog with him running shotgun. Okay. Yo, dude, it's funny as hell, bro.
Bro, nah, I gotta ask him when he get off the phone. I gotta ask him to do it.
Oh, another S2000. That should sound crazy. You got a turbo in that motherfucker.
You hear that? This goes like, yo, I'm just trying to go do my workout.
Oh, this the Infiniti that was chilling. Oh, I don't know, he ain't doing too much chilling. Oh man, what happened to that Beamer, bro? Damn.
Oh, that's tough.
Yeah, no unfortunate situation. Oh man. Oh, that's clean. Yeah, maybe. Yo, look at this exhaust, bro. That's
single exit.
that shit
Shit
beefy
huge,
as hell, bro.
Shit huge, bro.
That shit beefy.
That shit is.
Oh, I know this man got turbo in there.
Stage one, you're right.
Oh no.
Yeah. I mean, gotta go back so.
Oh no, we were debating on whether it was turbo or.
Oh yeah. Yeah. The other one's gonna be turbo. We have one more coming up. That's.
See, it sounds like a supercharger. I mean, a turbocharger, but it's cruise. Oh shit. Watch out. Yeah.
Bro, I try to sell my white shit, my white car too. Say what he wants.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty far from stock. I didn't really know you could do that to a cruise.
That's a sleeper right there. Ain't nobody checking for cruises now.
Yeah.
A cruise pull up next to you, you know, doing something. Oh shit. Yo, what's up? I'm good. Man, I didn't know he was coming all the way out here. It wasn't too far. He was like what, 20 minutes, 25 minutes? So, chill. Oh yeah, I got. What do I want the thumbnail to be? I don't know. This is a nice green though. This shit.
Yo, am I bugging or did it just get mad dark?
Probably the clouds. Is this paint, bro? I think this is paint. I didn't know you could get this color. That's crazy.
That's paint, cause he got PPF on top of it.
I mean, I didn't see people with PPF they wraps, but nah, like, cause I'm looking like in like the crevices, and I still see like green and everything. So either the wrap shop was like
paint for sure. Look, you see the little glob right there?
Yeah.
That's paint.
That's a clean color, bro. I didn't even know you could get these shits in this color, man. Fucking nice.
Nah, he probably had to paint it. Just think about it. From the fact that I don't think that glob would be there.
Yo, look at they setup, bro. We amateurs, bro.
Oh yeah, clearly.
You got the big camera out.
Yo. This means I'm putting me in my place over here.
We can't go over here, man. He gonna show us over this big camera, man.
Yeah.
Put these away.
He's gonna go to the side like this.
Yeah, put this motherfucker away.
He got the Ronin rig and everything, bro.
Yeah.
He on time and on time. You feel me?
Oh, we got a soup right
vehicles
here.
over here. Vehicles over there. It's like, yo, bro, we just here to work out. Like,
They probably.
He got a Recaro.
Oh,
Recaro driver's seat.
right side drive.
Yeah.
Damn. Or like they just like, yo, I'm trying to get my workouts in.
Exactly.
Ain't nowhere to park.
Yeah, he get money, work out.
Oh, they got the front mount intakes. That's clean. That's clean, bro.
Very clean.
Can you see that on camera? Yeah, you can see that shit clean, man. No shit. Gotta get hit again.
I'm at 37,000.
Already, I'm at 32.
Yeah, I went upstate and I bought this car from a guy. The guy was 70 years old, and I went up there and I just bought the car.
Yeah.
His wife wanted him to sell it to me because they were moving to
This
Florida.
shit sound crazy, bro. He was the one doing. Oh, you got the carbon fiber exhaust too.
His car was. I wanted to.
Oh, these are the M ones.
Stop.
Yeah, they clean though.
Yeah, but anything's done.
Nice carbon fiber diffuser too. Oh, accurate, man, bro. Look at that shit. Of course. We got the blue seats in here, bro. That's
crazy.
These are Lexus, bro. I'm telling you, bro. This is when the Acura was on these shit, bro. Acura and Honda with the fucking S2000s right here. This was when they was a problem.
These were the times.
This was damn. This was when they was a problem.
Whoa.
Oh, this
You got a
shit.
whip with supercharger on it?
Oh, this shit a problem. This shit a problem.
Yo.
You got the red seats in there, yo. Oh, that's clean.
He wants you to see that he got the.
Yeah, this shit is clean as hell, man.
It's a problem. It's definitely a problem.
All right, looks like that's all we got for today. But if y'all did enjoy, the car meet we went to, saw some nice cars there. Some Supes was there, some Beamers was there. You know, of course the Hondas was out there. Saw some NSXs, you know what I'm saying? Nice things, nice wheels. So, you know, appreciate y'all watching. Just ask that you continue to support the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your people, share it with your friends, and appreciate you guys. Enjoy y'all days or y'all nights, whenever y'all watching. You know what I'm saying? Peace, I'm out.
Discovery, go and throttle.